Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Roblox voice chat back after being suspended. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. Log into your account. Then go to the address bar and replace home in the URL with support so it becomes roblox.com/support. Press enter to open the support form. You'll now see a form. Enter your email address and confirm it. That's where Roblox will contact you. Scroll down to the Issue Details section and choose the device you use to play Roblox. Next, under Type of Help category, select Moderation. A second drop-down will appear. Click on that and choose the appropriate option. Now scroll down to the description box and enter your appeal. You can write something like, "To the Roblox support team, after reviewing your community guidelines, I believe I have not violated any rules. Please review my account and consider removing the voice chat suspension. Thank you." After filling everything out, click the Submit button at the bottom of the form. So that's basically how you can get Roblox voice chat back after being suspended. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.